Hi guys. So I hope you had a really great spring break, and lucky for you, it has been extended for an extra week. Faculty are scrambling this week trying to get our courses put online, figuring out how we're going to go forward, compress content, get you the content you need, set up class meetings, and all of that good stuff. So I'm still in the process of tweaking what we're going to be doing, but my plan at this point is to set up a Google Meet during our regular class time. And it's going to be a Q&A. I'm not going to lecture. I know that's not fun online, but I want to touch base. I want you to feel like you have real-time interaction and can get your questions answered. And I have to, according to the federal government, still report attendance and participation in the class. So that's how we're going to work that. I do plan to, as you know, when I was sick that one day, I gave you some videos and some lecture notes. I do plan to put those in course content in Blackboard. I also, in course content, will put a link to the Google Meet meeting. If you have a way to access it online with video and audio, that would be perfect. If you have to join by phone, that'll work also. Those options will be available to you. I'm working on updating all the timelines, assignment due dates. We will still have quizzes going forward, but I'm going to nix the requirement to submit paperwork because I know that can be difficult for some of you. For our upcoming test, that's going to be changed probably as far as the date of it, but I will still require that you submit some work for that. Again, look forward to additional updates as we go forward and when we meet online virtually. So you might have heard my dogs in the background. I'm working from home these days because I am in St. Louis County, and that is the restriction. So if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. You have my email. I am checking that frequently. So I hope all of you are doing well and staying safe, and keep an eye on Blackboard. All right, take care.